What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to upgrade my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper with real carbon fiber spoiler. Thanks my friend Devin from Hanshou sending me this. It's performance style, looks amazing. I'll show you guys how to install it. Plus, I got everybody a discount code, so make sure you check it out in the description. Before getting into the details, I want to quick mention the credit card belt. You can earn points on rent. You can pay either check or online. For example, if your rent is $3,000, at the end of the year, you will earn 36,000 points. And then you can transfer this to airline or even hotels. So there are so many options. Why not earn some free hotel nights and also flight tickets if you're already paying rent? And also, on every first day of the month, you are earning double points, which means 6 times points on restaurants, 4 times on travel, 2 points on everything else. This card has 0 annual fee and so many benefits. If you are paying rent, this is a must-have credit card. I'll put a referral link in the description if you are interested. This is a box from Hanshou. It's super light because it's real carbon fiber. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Let's take a look. I got a glossy looking one. They have 2 options, either glossy or matte finish. So mine, I got a glossy looking. Looks super nice. Wow. This is probably not even like 1 pound. Super light. Inside the box, you are also getting a painter's tape, a sticker, and also a double-sided tape if you need more of those. First, you want to clean the area you will apply this spoiler thoroughly because you don't want any dust getting between those double-sided tape, and it could just lose your wing. So I got my IPA here. I'll spray it on the surface and then clean it. So you want to make sure you thoroughly clean this area. There's no dust left. Next step is to position your spoiler. You want to just lay here and to check the distance on the right hand side. Also match the distance on the left hand side. So you don't want this to stick out too much. Then the other side will be too little. So you want to make sure they are equally distanced. The best way to do it is just get a measure tape and just measure the distance, make sure they are the same. After you verify it's the same distance, then you will install this guided sticker. So we're gonna apply this masking tape just in position. So once we got this ready, so we can just secure it. So I'm just gonna leave this on the side. Once I need it, I'll grab it. So I'm just gonna put a few. That should be enough. Next, I'm gonna peel off this double-sided tape on both edges. So let's from one side first. You wanna go for 30%. You wanna go for too far. So we do one side. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Okay. Okay, now you want to line up with your guided sticker. Make sure you get this edges in first. You will just gradually remove this double-sided tape. And do the same thing from this side of the corner. So you will just make sure firmly press in and remove the tape. Next one, just apply this mask. This way it's going to be secured. Mainly just keep the pressure on it. Now you can remove the guided sticker because you don't need it anymore. Added more masking tape on the corner and also in the middle, just in case this thing falls, because I don't want to lose it, you know. So I will leave this overnight, and the next day I'll remove those masking tapes. Make sure this is fully secured, you know, stick to the car, because when you drive fast, you don't want this thing to blow off. All right, it's been 24 hours, so I'm gonna start removing this masking tape. And also, it's a really good idea that you leave this car under the sun, so the heat will actually cure the adhesive, so this will be bonding stronger. I did add a lot of masking tapes because I want to make sure this spoiler stays really good on the car. All right, this is the last one. You know, the funny thing, Tesla yesterday just released Model Y performance model. Estimated delivery date is in December. So if you want to make your car look like a performance, this is actually the easiest way to do it. This is how the car looks like before installing carbon fiber spoiler. This is how it looks like after installing the carbon fiber spoiler. Big thanks to Hansho for sending me this spoiler. If you are interested, I'll drop the link in the description. And don't forget, you can save with my discount code SILICON. This spoiler doesn't just look nice. It gives my Model Y Juniper that Tesla performance vibe. Adds a little bit aerodynamic flair, and with a glossy real carbon fiber finish, it looks so much more stylish and premium from every angle. Honestly, it completely transforms the rear end of the car. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'm still trying to reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. You guys can help me to achieve this goal. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.